In only 4 days, the Beijing summit of the Forum on China-Africa Cooperation, or FOCAC, will open. Priorities and key directions for China-Africa cooperation are due to be announced at the summit. Observers consider it a milestone event that will further cement China-Africa relations. The Forum on China-Africa Cooperation was founded in 2000. It involves China, 53 African countries, and the African Union Commission. As China's ambassador for FOCAC affairs, Zhou Yuxiao, said, "The mechanism is not a place for idle words, but a platform for real actions." 18 years ago, the forum began with small steps, focusing on aid, trade, debt relief and personnel training. Now it has gradually grown into a comprehensive platform that covers industrialization, agricultural modernization, financing, green development, people-to-people exchanges and security. 3 years ago, the Johannesburg summit of the Forum on China-Africa Cooperation won great success, during which 10 major plans for China-Africa cooperation were announced. Since then, the bond between China and Africa has been given a strong new impetus. In 2017, two-way trade between China and Africa reached $170 billion, a 14% increase compared with the year before. In the first half of 2018, bilateral trade rose 16% year-on-year to nearly $100 billion. Meanwhile, Chinese investment in Africa continues to rise. In the past 3 years, China's annual average direct investment to Africa stood at around $3 billion, while progress was seen in industrial cooperation in sectors such as manufacturing, finance, tourism, and aviation. By the end of 2017, Chinese total investment in Africa had surpassed $100 billion. The cooperation projects have resulted in 30,000 kilometers of highways, 85 million tons of harbor capacity annually, over 9 million tons of water cleaning capacity per day, and about 20,000 megawatts of power generating capacity. This has led to the creation of some 900,000 jobs. China is effectively sharing capital, experience, technology, and talent with African countries. This is providing Africa's industrialization with a catalyst and lays a foundation for the inclusive and sustainable development of Africa. The high standard and win-win cooperation allows even the least developed countries to get involved in international division of labor and enjoy the benefits. At the upcoming summit, a highlight will show how China and Africa link the Belt and Road Initiative with the UN 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, the Africa Union's Agenda 2063, and African countries' development plans. With the twin engines of the BRI and FOCAC, China-Africa cooperation is poised to move forward more steadily, faster and further. As Kenyan scholar Stephen Adigwa put it, the forum will provide more opportunities for African countries in their quest for development. Working together with China, Africa is now ready to be aboard on a global map and compete equally.